Hello, everyone. We are fucking back. We're gonna start streaming daily now, hopefully. Let's see what happens, chat. I am currently my bias going into today. I am currently looking for longs. Okay, so let's go from the daily here. Daily. It looks like we swept out a daily low, going to the 4 hour here. We have a 4 hour order block. Respecting this order block, where's my next strong liquidity is going to be this daily high and higher prices. So my bias going into the day is currently bullish. So I'm looking for a continuation to go potentially longs to these highs. So what do I want to see? I either want to see a sweep of liquidity, higher time frame gap, and for us to go higher. So right now I am currently bullish. It is a Friday, so we'll see what we'll see. We'll just have to see what happens here. So we don't have much news, so we should be chilling. Yeah, but let's look for longs. Let's see what happens here. If you weren't invited, don't ask to go. That's how it is. Let's see. How you doing today, man? I'm doing a lot better, but my throat doesn't hurt. Like, I feel a lot better after taking, like, the medicine that the doctor gave me, bro. I feel a lot better. Oh, genuinely, I feel a lot better. So I'm gonna start streaming more often. Going to the year, like, my throat was just hurting so much. Let's see. I am looking for longs. I just have to see what happens here. Nah, I'm not gonna quit. I was just trolling, to be honest with you. Let's see. I am looking for longs. So what do I want to see here? Like I said, high time from gap needs to get mitigated first. So right now, like, the longest part is just waiting, bro, to be honest with you. Could paint the door, bro. 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 Okay, fuck it. I might as well paint the fucking door, bro. Genuinely at this point, bro. Everyone talks about it, man. Where you been, dude? I've been sick. Genuinely. Like, I have strep throat. And I feel a lot better now. But I had strep throat, sir. Honestly, this week was pretty good. I'm up $252 this week, but honestly, the past few weeks I just been like kind of getting cooked, so it doesn't really matter. I think I need like 4.5k. Nah, no payout today, bro. I need like 4.5k to pass, or I need like 4.5k to request a payout, man. Cause like my consistency rule, bro, I fucked it up. I messed it up so much, bro. So it's like I need like 4.5k to request a payout. 4.5k, man. Well, I need to make that much in order to request a payout. but I am going to like size up a little bit more because the strategy that I'm doing has is pretty. It's pretty like I'm confident in it. So I'm gonna start sizing a little bit more while we wait. Let me lock in some back testing actually. Let me lock in with some back testing. So this daily high, 4 hour CRT here, CISD. It should go lower here still. I am bearish. Let's see, we have a sweep here. Sweep a CRT here. Drop down to the 2 minute here. Probably gonna go higher. Probably gonna go higher here actually. Hold on, let's see what happens here. I was bearish, but it looks like we're going higher here. Yeah, like we went higher and then we went bearish here. That's unfortunate. Why are you live trading? I am live trading. I was just like, like you gotta warm up. You know what I mean? You still hitting the gym? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Always, man. I just been like still sick. Yeah, I need like 4 point, bro. I'll show you guys real quick, bro. I need like 4.5K to fuck. Like I need 4 point. I technically need like $8,000 in order to request a payout across 2 accounts, bro. Like right here. The consistency rule is cooked, bro. Like a 200%. I'm above 200%. I'm up 200% on the consistency rule. So it's like, bro, it says required profit is 4.2K. And I'm like, bro, I need 4.2K in order to request a max payout. Max payout 4.2K. So I gotta get like 4.2K. No, this is valid because like what is it? It's alpha futures. It's because you need to maintain like a 40% consistency, a 40% consistency rule. And I didn't listen to that firm. I didn't listen to the rule, so I deserve it, honestly. Let's see what happens though. I am bullish, so I need to see like high type of beauty rate get respected. I'll probably just have to size up a little bit more, honestly. This is just chop, bro. I mean, I'll look for levels, but there's not any levels that I'm like confident in. see what happens, bro. Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go fucking blow my nose. I bet chat. All right, let's see. Kind of just a lot of chop this morning, so I kind of just have to wait. We're in this consolidation. This is like the most like boring part. Is just waiting, sir. I just wanna be alone now. I don't wanna be the one now. Alright, bro, I need some hype music, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. Alright, bro. We're in this consolidation, bro. We're not really doing much, bro. This is actually annoying. Sorry if I didn't miss you, baby. Cause I still love you, in my car. Flew to first stage, just come and see me to the tours. Alright, let's not like choke today, bro. Everything to get your thoughts change, eh? For thinking I could fix you, fix you, fix you, fish I would. This looks like accumulation here. probably gonna come down lower to like these fair value gaps here. Or literally anything, bro. And literally anything, I'll be fine with. We'll have like this hourly low here, coupled with an hourly fair value gap. Miss you, miss you, miss you, I miss you. Except the fact that I can't aim. You said to me, baby, you was all in. I think that we probably should have stayed friends. I think that we probably could have saved tears. Save just understand it's not like me to get my heart away. Alright. We're coming down to our levels here. It's good. Alright. We have a potential 15-minute liquidity sweep here to go potentially higher. On the 5-minute real quick. We have 5-minute right here. Let's go on the 15-second. Alright, I'll have to wait for the 50-second CISD here. Let's see if we get it. Wait for confirmation, Q. Wait for confirmation. Leave your keys if you're not coming home. Alright. We come down to this 15-minute low, right? And then we go to our 15-minute as our hard time frame. Drop down to the 5-minute. I'm looking for a 5-minute CRT or 5-minute rejection block. After tapping that low. Right now, I'm just waiting. If we can get something here, I'll take it. You know what I mean? You were giving up. So it looks like we're coming down to the hourly low. So I would just wait here. What's another lie? Let you know I wait for you every night. If you ever wanna fall in love, if you ever wanna bet on us. Alright, let's see what happens here. If you ever wanna make things right. Like I said, I am bullish. So high time frame is bullish to me, right? We sweep up the daily low, drop down to the 4-hour order block. Displacement here, obviously. So I am bullish. This looks like a retracement. This looks like a retracement here with the inverse fair value gap here to the on the 4-hour bearish one. So let's see what happens. If you ever want to fall in love, if you ever want to bet on us. This is a tiny fair value gap, bro. Let's see, ever. What I noticed is like just honestly like I'm I'm confident in this. Maybe we have a new day opening gap here. Make things right. Let's see if we can take out this low here. Alright, we do take out this low. We got news. I swear I checked news, bro. We had nothing. Oh, it's no, we don't have news today. If you ever want to make things right, All right, bro. All right, guys. But I might be going to Miami. Potentially, perhaps I might be going to Miami for this Alpha Futures event. There's an Alpha Futures event. I didn't get invited yet. Yet. They're releasing like the invites at the end of the week. Hopefully I get to go. Cause if I get to go, bro, I'll like I'll end up like meeting like Will, Dodgy, a whole bunch of other day traders, bro. Cause there ain't no sunlight if I lose you, baby. Let's see. Every day it'll rain, 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 rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy couldn't even look me in the eyes. I don't like this. It just looks very bearish right now, to be honest. Accumulation. I mean, this looks like accumulation, manipulation towards the downside. This is a big manipulation, though. I'm not gonna lie. It swept the high before reversing was my point. It targeted my New York low from yesterday. Yes, this high up here. Take a pat, bro. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. But that'll make it right. Cause there ain't no sunlight if I lose you, baby. We're probably gonna come down to this gap here, like, or this new day opening gap here. Let's see. Rain, rain, all right, this new hourly candle is about to open up. All right, I like how we opened up. Open lower. And then I like how we swept out this low, this 15-minute. So right now we're inside of this hourly fair value gap, right? And we have 15-minute CRT potentially. So we'll have to wait. We'll just have to wait here. I need to see a good reaction here. We do have a new day opening gap here that I marked out. New day opening gap here. We have a 15-minute potential CRT. No, we have a new day opening gap that hasn't been filled yet. And if you go on the hourly, this gap just now got filled. No more rejection blocks. I technically do trade rejection blocks still. It technically is a rejection block. I'm just getting it on the second candle. Perhaps if like we get this 15-second CISD here. Where's my order not filling? Order filled. Alright, I'm anticipating this to be the manipulation here. And then obviously I'm going to target this high. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. I could be a little bit early, but lots of unfilled gaps here. We can close above this, so it'll be my 2-minute order block. Alright, we should be chilling here. We shouldn't come back down. This should be our 2-minute order block here. Hopefully we chill. My TP is at 787.50 here. We'll see what happens here though. Like technically we swept up this low, right? So I want to see this act as an order block because this candle was supposed to be a continuation candle to go lower. We don't end up going lower. We end up engulfing this. So this should be our bullish engulfing candle and for us to go potentially higher. And as you can tell, or as you can see, we are currently respecting it body wise, right? We have an hourly fair value gap here, an hourly new day opening gap. So this looks decently clean. I did not catch the shorts, no. This could be our final TP, that's the thing. I could go break even here, honestly. We have to inverse here. I'm going to take 5 off here, though. At this 15 midpoint. Give me your all to me. I give my all to you. I'm with 10 micros, unfortunately. It's fine. Cause I give you all. But if ES ends up taking at the high first, I'll go. I'll take some off. And you give me all. I have just longed this. And you give me all. How much am I risking? Why is Trading Views thinking differently now? Honestly, let's do like let's sell like five. Let's sell nine here. We'll create like a 15-minute fair value gap here. We'll sell nine up here, and then just let one micro go to this high. Actually, I could put my stops here because this order block should hold. This order block here should hold. But I'm gonna go risk free. So like here's fine. But we do have a 5-minute gap. We need to inverse this gap here. Like we have to inverse this gap. Monthly P&L. Dude, it's not looking so hot. I mean, I'm at $50 this month, bro. What do you think? At $50 this month, I could buy a few McChickens, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I could buy a few McChickens with $50. If this trade hits, this should be like a $900 or like a $900 day here. But we're gonna create this 15-minute gap here. Like perhaps taking some off at this high won't be a bad idea. But we'll see what happens here. just have to let this play out, bro. To be honest, it's fine. This is like my last trade of the week, anyways. No way, we're gonna stop me out. I am break even, so we might go lower, man. We might go lower. That's unfortunate. No, we're playing a higher time frame CRT here. That's why I'm not. That's why I didn't take profits at this fair value up. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. We're playing a higher time frame CRT, so it's fine. Guys, it's okay. It's literally fine. Perhaps my analysis was incorrect. Perhaps. Without you, it's rainy days that fade away when you're gone around. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a repeat here potentially. What is this? Oh. Yeah, no. Perhaps I mean there was no SMT here also, so that could have been a potential scenario. Like ES looks way more bullish, bro. Like ES looks way more bullish. Like if we would have just entered on ES, like we wouldn't have gone stopped out and we still running. Like yeah, ES looks a lot more bullish. Like market structure wise, ES looks a lot more bullish here. But we trade in Q, so it doesn't really fucking matter, does it, huh? If you're an experienced trader, you can see that we want to sweep its internal low and want to tap the 4 for value gap. Perhaps. Sure. Perhaps you're correct, sir. But it's fine, bro. You win shorts, it's all good. I'm glad you banked, man. We'll have to see what happens here. Oh no, hey, bro. Everyone sees the market differently, and like, it's fine. So we're in this hourly new day opening gap here. I want to see a reaction off of here. I don't use market profiles now. I kind of just use CISDs on the higher time frame and then lower time frame entry. Let's see if we can get another entry here. Sweep here. I'll wait for this 1 minute CISD here. I mean, long here don't look bad here also. Like just long right here. I mean, like, like structure is like higher time frame. It is bullish. Perhaps we do come down to this 4 hour gap here. That could be a possibility. I received an hourly low here. Session lows have been taken. Let's see. Let's see. My eyes. We have SMT here. Oh my goodness. Like this 15 minutes still has potential to like close back inside this range. Yes, this is NQ. If we can get a closure above here, if we can get a candle closure above here, I'll take some longs here. This would be like the long idea that I want to take. I'll definitely go lower size though. Actually, this would be the idea. That's the idea that I'm looking at. Or this is the idea that I'm looking at. I never seen God's eyes, but I seen the devil's. This will look even better actually. I'll definitely go lower size here. Oh, this is I mean Q. Oh, this is in Q, bro. Hold up. All right, all right. My stop loss is here. Because I'm anticipating this candle. Like I just want to like I'm only with 3 micros because I'm anticipating this candle here to be the like manipulation low. Eyes, but I see the devils. And plus, like this candle's our order block here. Should be the order block after tapping this 4-hour CRT or not 4-hour CRT, 4-hour SSMT. No, SSMT. What the fuck am I saying? Hourly. Oh my god, this is actually this no. If we oh my god, this looks fire as fuck. Oh my gosh, this actually is going to be like this. No, I'm actually pretty confident in this, bro. This looks fire, bro. This looks fire as fuck. I actually like this trade a lot. Higher time frame, I am bullish. Put myself this up. Higher time frame, I am bullish. Let's go. We're tapping this 4-hour gap, 4-hour SMT. 5-minute order block. Like, bro, this looks decent. We're coming down to OTE of this range. I have a vision, bro. If we lose the trade, I'm gonna get off. I think this was just a retracement, honestly, but retracement to OTE of this range. WQ, yes sir. Chop drawings. What's up, bro? No, no, no. Listen, 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 listen. We come down. We take out all the lows, right? We take out all the lows here, all the lows from overnight session. Come down. Tag this 4-hour fair value gap. We have an SMT inside of this gap. Cause it's SMT. Now, my prediction was that. Listen, look. We come down to this 4-hour gap. I am bullish on the higher time frame. I like low key and bullish on the higher time frame. We talked about daily low, 4-hour order block, structure showing bullish price action, right? So now, go on the hourly, we have a potential CRT here. Potential. Super hourly CRT low. 5-minute. This was supposed to be a continuation candle to go to the downside here, right? Because what we end up engulfing this candle here, making this our 5-minute order block. And the thing is, I could be completely fucking wrong. And this could be just a retracement to OTE of this range, this downwards candle. This fair value gap here is important. If we don't inverse this gap, perhaps we go lower. All right, GG chat. Wow. 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 I'm getting off. It's all good, guys. We'll come back. We'll come back next week stronger. We have to, bro. That's the only way. All right, guys. We are going to be doing a back testing stream tomorrow, and like I'm gonna cook. Hopefully, I'm gonna cook. I believe that we were bullish higher time frame wise. Like today, bro. I was bearish. Last night, I told myself I was bearish, but like, ugh, fuck. All right, guys. I'm gonna end the stream here. You know what, bro? I'm not even worried. We're chilling. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm feeling a lot better, so I'll stream a lot more often. And I'll see you guys all next time, bro. Fuck it.